Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix error performing request unknown error on iPhone. Nowadays there are certain dedicated applications for checking the data balance and call balance of your mobile data which need an internet connection to operate. So sometimes it won't be possible and the users have to dial the USSD code to access particular information. Recently many iPhone users have experienced an error while trying to access the information regarding calls or data balance for their network. Whenever they try to access it, it through an error message that says error performing request unknown error. So in this video, I will tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for check the USSD code. The main reason behind this error message is the wrong USSD code was entered while dialing on the iPhone to access the additional information regarding the cellular call or data balance. So before trying to dial, first check and verify the USSD code on the internet and try to dial. This can possibly resolve this issue. And the next step is change the voice and data setting. If voice and data settings is not set appropriately, it causes such problems. Also, not setting the network selection option to automatically can lead to such problem on any iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it and then tap on mobile data and then tap on mobile data option. Here you will see the option of voice and data. Tap on it. Once the voice and data page opens, tap on 4G from the list. Now go back to the mobile data page. Tap on the network selection option. After it opens, tap on the automatic toggle button to turn it on. And you are done. And the next step is turn on the airplane mode and turn it off. Many iPhone users have claimed that they fixed this error message by enabling airplane mode and then disabling it. It refreshes the network connectivity glitch if any of the mobile device. For this, go to settings, tap on it and at the top you will see the option of airplane mode. Turn it on and after some time turn it off again and you are done. And the next step is disable the call forwarding feature. If the call forwarding feature is enabled by mistake by the users, this can also lead to this issue. So let us try checking whether the call forwarding feature is enabled or not. If it turns out to be enabled, please disable it. First of all, go to the settings page on your iPhone, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on phone, tap on it. Here you will see the option of call forwarding under call section. Tap on it. It might take 1 to 2 seconds to load it. Disable the call forwarding option by tapping on its toggle switch to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is disable the iMessage settings and enable it back. Some iPhone users have found that the iMessage has got to do something with this error problem on the iPhone. Whenever the iMessage is stuck internally on any iPhone, it might cause such problems. So for this, open the settings page on your iPhone, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on messages. Then tap on the iMessage option toggle to switch to turn it off. After it gets disabled, restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone starts, go to the messages page and enable the iMessage by tapping on its toggle button to turn it on and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. This error message can also be caused because some network settings have been changed unknowingly by the users on their iPhones. So performing reset network settings on any iPhone might help in resolving this error message. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset network settings in the pop-up box. Tap on it. It will require your passcode, so enter your passcode to confirm it. After that, tap on the reset network settings once again on the confirmation window and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Apple releases updates from time to time after working on the feedback received from users. Therefore, users who have not updated the latest software updates on their iPhone might encounter such issues on their iPhone. So we recommend our viewers that update their iPhone or iPad. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. After the software update page is loaded, tap on the download and install option at the bottom if there are any update available and you are done. And the next step is restart the iPhone. Restarting any device can sometimes fix any minor technical problem or software glitches within the device. So restart your iPhone once. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of shutdown, tap on it and slide to the power off. And after some time, for starting your iPhone, you need to press and hold the side power button till you see the Apple's logo sign on your screen, and then see if the problem is resolved or not. I hope this solution will fix your issue. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.